I am AI avatar of CA Ratan Mundra. Attention all limited liability partnerships across India. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has set the due date for LLP Form 11 filing as 30th May 2026. Every LLP registered under the LLP Act must complete this annual compliance within the prescribed timeline. Many businesses mistakenly assume that inactive or non-operational LLPs are exempt from filing. However, MCA regulations clearly state that even LLPs with zero turnover or no business activity must submit Form 11. Failure to comply can lead to continuous penalties, legal notices, and compliance risks. LLP Form 11 is the annual return that every limited liability partnership must file with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs under the LLP Act 2008. It is one of the most important yearly compliance requirements for LLP entities in India. This form contains essential information such as details of partners and designated partners, capital contribution, business structure, and any changes made during the financial year. MCA uses this filing to maintain updated records and monitor LLP compliance status. One of the most common misconceptions among business owners is that LLP Form 11 filing is required only for actively operating businesses. This is completely incorrect according to MCA compliance rules. Every LLP registered in India must file Form 11, regardless of turnover, profit, business activity, or operational status. Whether the LLP is newly incorporated, dormant, inactive, or has nil turnover, annual return filing remains compulsory. To prepare LLP Form 11 correctly, businesses must keep several important records ready before filing. This includes LLP name, LLPIN, registered office address, and details regarding the nature of business activities. In addition, partner-related information such as names, PAN, DIN or DPIN, contribution details, and appointment or resignation records are required. Any updates in Form 3 or Form 4 should also be completed before initiating Form 11 filing. The filing process begins with collecting updated LLP records and verifying whether any pending MCA forms, such as Form 3 or Form 4, need to be completed first. Proper verification helps avoid rejection or resubmission during filing. Once the information is validated, Form 11 is prepared on the MCA portal, digitally signed using the designated partner's DSC, and uploaded with the applicable statutory fees. After successful submission, an SRN and challan are generated as proof of compliance. The biggest risk associated with LLP Form 11 is delayed filing. MCA imposes an additional fee of 100 rupees per day for every day of delay. And importantly, there is no maximum cap on this penalty. This means even a short delay can result in substantial financial impact. A 1-month delay may lead to thousands of rupees in penalties, while long-term non-compliance can become extremely expensive and difficult to regularize. Non-filing of LLP Form 11 does not only result in financial penalties. Continuous default may expose the LLP and its partners to MCA notices, legal scrutiny, and regulatory complications. Businesses may also face operational challenges such as bank KYC issues, investment hurdles, delays during due diligence, and complications in restructuring or closure procedures. Many organizations realize the seriousness of non-compliance only during audits or funding activities. To ensure smooth and hassle-free filing, businesses should regularly maintain updated compliance records and monitor MCA filings throughout the year. Keeping partner details accurate is extremely important. Additionally, designated partner DSCs should remain active and MCA master data should be periodically verified. Filing well before the due date helps avoid portal congestion, technical issues, and unnecessary additional fees. LLP Form 11 is not just a routine filing, it is a mandatory statutory compliance requirement under the LLP Act. Ignoring this filing can create long-term financial and operational challenges for the business. The due date for filing LLP Form 11 is 30th May 2026. Complete your compliance well in advance and avoid unnecessary penalties or legal complications. For professional support with LLP annual filings and MCA compliance, connect with our expert team today. At Moon Says and Management Consultants LLP, we specialize in LLP compliance management, ROC filings, SEZ advisory, IFSC regulatory support, and end-to-end business compliance services. Our experienced team helps businesses maintain kindly statutory compliance while reducing regulatory risks and operational challenges. Reach out to us today for reliable and professional compliance assistance. Moon Says and Management Consultants LLP, a trusted partner for SEZ and IFSC excellence. A pioneer in establishing SEZ and IFSC units within GIFT City and India, delivering end-to-end IFSC setup, operational support, and handling compliances. Risk management, renowned for deep expertise in regulatory approvals, capital markets, fund management, insurance, finance company, foreign university, BATF, and ancillary regulations and fintech. Expertise in customs clearance for aircraft and ship procurement, leasing, GST, DSPF, IFSCA, comprehensive. Support covering registration, reporting, and regulatory transitions, ensuring ring fencing, transparency, and global compliance standards. Join our network. Scan the QR codes below to stay connected with us.